Hello. Update is there is a tornado watch. Duders, we can't make this shit up. I'm actually next to their storm shelters. They just look like big tin boxes. But the bathroom is right in front of me. Brick solid building. So I'm just trying to watch the weather and stuff, and if it gets really bad, I'm just gonna take Duders and go into the bathroom. Right now it's not really doing much of anything. It looks like people are still at their places. It's not as windy as it was earlier. And I don't really see anything in the sky coming. So, I will keep you guys posted. And, oh, I lost a pin here. Yeah, I'll keep you guys posted. I gotta fix this thing. I made a mess out of this. I'm gonna have to, I think I'm gonna have to get another new map. I don't got time to deal with this right now. Okay. Meanwhile, I have eaten, trust me when I tell you I've eaten a lot of this. If you see in that first video footage compared to what's left in there. And I'm just going through my footage and getting things organized for editing. But Liza had just texted me and said, she sent me the links to the weather stations around here and told me to, why do I still have this on? It told me to watch the weather, which I have been, but I've been just watching it on the weather app. And I looked and I'm in Rogers County. It didn't say anything about Rogers County, and then I went and just checked. Now it says Rogers County, and it says golf ball size hail, 40-mile-an-hour winds. But it doesn't say anything about a tornado. And it says that there's a watch in effect. Oh, she just texted me. Let's see what she says. Anywho, I'll keep you guys posted. But I am, suffice to say that I am on high alert for this weather. Okay, we got a little bit of rain now. Thunder. Thought I saw a little bit of lightning earlier. Oh, I gotta shut my door because everything's dripping in. There we go. Now we're locked in tight. Duders is in bed. I'm just editing. You can't even see me. It's nothing that exciting to look at. Let me turn this light on. Oh, sorry. There. Can't. Horrible lighting, I know. I gotta get more AAA batteries. But I'm just editing a video, and then I'm gonna go to bed. I'm tired. Somebody just texted me. I wonder if that's Liza checking in on me. Hang on. Uh-oh. Okay, might be coming back again. So I gotta check the storm report. I hate this shit. Let's see. Let's check the storm report. Let's see. Uh-oh. Yep. Rogers County. That's where I'm in. Avoid the subject event. Strong thunderstorms will impact portions of Rogers, Western Wagner at 10:45, the Doppler radar indicated a strong thunderstorm along the lines extending near Tulsa to 4 miles. Winds gust up to 40 miles an hour and penny-size hail. Well, that's better than golf ball-size hail. Okay, let's back up. It includes the Interstate 44 between mile markers 222 and 259. Consider seeking shelter inside of a building until midnight. Okay, here's the radar. It's raining now. Doesn't seem that windy though. I think I might be see this. I guess I can't go to bed. I guess I gotta stay awake. It's until Saturday 11:30. It's 11:06 now. This just came back up. It was literally off. It wasn't on here before. Oh shit, I don't know what to do. I don't like this 40-mile-an-hour wind gust. That I don't like. That's what Liza says. Might be coming back. Oh. Now it's starting to rain harder. The time is 11:22. All right, let up a bit. I'm gonna check the weather. Hang on a minute. One more time. I heard some big time thunder. Oof. There was a lightning. Count. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 seconds away. People are leaving the casino. That's the casino parking way down there. God, Duder's is not bothered by anything like this. He is literally just sleeping through all the thunder and lightning and stuff. But there's a rumble of thunder. See, when I'm in here, I can't see the lightning. Unless I'm looking up. This was one of the tops, by the way, I got in Tucson. Can't really see it. I have to get AAA lights, AAA batteries for my lights. See, this is the purplish tank top I got. It's very comfortable. I thought I'd sleep in it tonight. I'm trying to hammer through some of these, editing these vlogs, because I'm running out of space on my phone. And I've got a new method now, putting, everything on that little teeny hard drive. But that hard drive's almost getting full. That's how much video footage I have. And I'm just bringing the footage from that. I have everything, because I do my phone, my GoPro, and sometimes my vlogging camera. So what I'm doing, and they're 3 different file names. So what I'm doing is that I'm putting them all by date inside of little folders on that little portable hard drive. So I'm moving everything first, putting them by date, and then going through and bringing them into iMovie and trying to edit them, get the file, put a copy of the file back on that little hard drive, upload it to YouTube, and then so I can delete it off my computer. I'm kind of hungry. but I don't know what I want to eat. I can't have any more of that cinnamon roll. It's just so sweet. Like, I'll have to save that for breakfast tomorrow. Oh, shit. Here comes the rain again. I'm trying to hear that if it's hail or not. Okay, I'm going to turn this off for a minute just so I can check the weather again. Shit. Oh, I'm just going to pray that it passes. I was trying to turn on the weather on my laptop. This is a little scary. I mean, I think they kind of canceled the tornado watches, or there might be still some like in southern Tulsa, and I'm like kind of north. I'm just out. See, I can't see anything. Let's see, weather alerts. I'm afraid to open the door. I'm trying to see if there's any live. I'm so jumpy right now, guys. It's going right. I'm trying to look at the weather, or the Doppler radar. Oh, Jesus. Joseph and Mary. Yeah, it's pouring. I think it passed. Or as in Caddyshack says, I don't think the hard stuff's gonna come down for a while yet. Oh, see, when I leave the door open, it just comes right in up there. I gotta see if I can fix that. Dave, come up with something for that, would you? Come up with something that kind of hangs over so that I don't get wet whenever I open up my door. Oh, geez, I hate lightning. We're gonna shut the door because I don't like lightning. All right, so I just thought I'd update you guys. It is, what time is it? 12:30 a.m. And as you can hear, it's still raining. It hasn't thundered in probably about 20 minutes. And my area that I'm at is, why is it always, I gotta get my lights fixed for you guys. I'm sorry. I don't normally vlog at night. I'm getting tired. So I think I can go to bed now that it's calmed down. Plus the rain noise is making me, I love hearing rain on the roof. Yeah, and then there's no more alerts for the county that I'm in. So I'm going to go to bed, wake up early, and figure out where the heck I'm going tomorrow, because I'm going to Arkansas. I always call it Arkansas. I'm going through Arkansas, and I don't know where to stay. And I know I can't make it through the whole state. Oh, and the weather is going to be following me, I think. Or I'm going to be following it through Arkansas. I got to figure that out too. I got to look at that. That's going to be an issue, because as this storm is pushing east, I am going east. So I'm going with the storm. I just hope I'm not. I got to go to bed. I just hope I'm not faster than the storm. Good night.